Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, we are going to discuss about that how you can play games online on your browser. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to need a strong internet connection. And after that, you have to open the Google Chrome. After opening the Google Chrome, I'm going to select my ID. So as you can see, Google Chrome is open. So now what you have to do, you have to write the now.gg. And after writing this, you have to press the enter. After pressing the enter, as you can see, the website is opened here. Now what you have to do, now you have to search for the any game. For example, I'm going to search for the Subway, Subway Clash 2 and all the games are provided here. For example, I'm going to play this one. As you can see, here's the play button. You have to click on this. You have to click on this. So as you can see, the game is here. Now it's loading. We have to wait for a few seconds until it loads. It's up to your internet speed. If your internet speed will be fast, you will get the faster result. So as you can see, here's the button for the continue. We have to click on the continue. So in this way, you guys can play the game. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can play the game on your browser online. So see you guys in the next video.